Solar power plants can be tough to transport and set up, but engineers at Solar Container have cracked the code. They've created foldable solar panels that fit into a standard 20-foot shipping container, making them easy to move. Once on site, the system unfolds automatically, stretching out to 394 feet and generating 140 kilowatts of power. That's enough to run a small construction site, a home, or an EV charging station. Disney's revolutionary VR tech, Hollow Tile, lets you walk without going anywhere. This platform has rotating tiles that adjust to your steps, creating a realistic sense of movement in virtual reality. It's perfect for VR games and can even enhance theatrical productions, allowing dancers to perform intricate routines while virtual backgrounds change seamlessly. On the newest cruise ship, Icon of the Seas, you'll find Pearl, the world's largest kinetic sculpture. This 53-ton marble is made of 3,000 tiles that move in mesmerizing patterns. Controlled by a powerful computer, the tiles mimic the motion of the sea. When the waves are rough, the tiles sway energetically. When the sea is calm, they glide smoothly, providing a soothing experience for the ship's guests. Harvard scientists have created a tiny robot called the Water Strider that can hop on water just like the real insect. Weighing less than 1 gram, it uses a catapult mechanism similar to its living counterpart. During a jump, the insect exerts a force 16 times its body weight without breaking the water's surface. The robot mimics this swift, gentle movement, allowing it to glide effortlessly on water. Love a strong coffee but too tired to make it? The next-gen robot from Aeonimus has you covered. This humanoid bot, powered by AI, recently learned to brew coffee after watching videos for just 10 hours. It even shared this skill with other robots, showing they can teach each other. Aeonimus also signed a deal with BMW to use these robots at their Spartanburg, South Carolina plant, where they'll handle tough, hazardous, or boring tasks. Belgian company Johncockerill has launched the Cockerill 9, a high-speed forward-on-4 vehicle known as the Ground Interceptor Stealth. This all-wheel drive vehicle is equipped with a universal combat module that can carry 25mm and 30mm automatic cannons, anti-tank missiles, and machine guns. Its modular design allows for quick changes in equipment and weaponry. The vehicle's armor protects against armor-piercing bullets, fragments, and high-explosive anti-tank mines. It can run on an internal combustion engine or a hybrid powertrain. In fully electric mode, it has a range of 19 miles, offering a tactical advantage by reducing thermal and acoustic signatures.
American startup Jetoptera is developing innovative aircraft that can reach speeds up to 980 km/h. The secret? Bladeless engines. Compared to traditional turbojets and turboprops, these engines generate 10% more thrust, use half the fuel, and weigh 30% less. They also make vertical to horizontal flight transitions smoother, crucial for takeoffs from aircraft carriers in rough seas. We've We've all been in situations where we desperately need a third hand and have to ask for help. Good news, soon you'll be able to scratch your nose even when your hands are busy. Scientists at EPFL have developed a robotic arm you can wear on your stomach and control by breathing. Engineers created a virtual environment and a special exoskeleton for testing, allowing volunteers to control the third arm with their diaphragm. After 150 sessions, all 60 volunteers mastered the robotic limb without it interfering with their real arms.
Polish startup Trigoo has unveiled a cool new project, a two-seater electric car that transforms on the go. This innovative vehicle can adjust the width of its front wheels. In motorcycle mode, the front wheel track is just 33 inches wide, making it super nimble. In car mode, it expands to 58 inches for better stability.
This design helps with maneuvering in traffic and parking. The car can reach speeds up to 56 miles per hour and has a range of about 62 miles. Plus, its replaceable battery cuts down on refueling time. Plus, they produce less noise and vibration, a big advantage for military use. In 1909, the Montreal gyroscopic transport was a marvel. Now, engineers at Owl University are reviving this concept with their new project, Cab Owl. This self-propelled cabin uses gyroscopic stabilization and an autonomous electric drive to balance on a single rail without mechanical support. Each cabin holds up to 6 people and can connect with others to form trains. The interior is flexible, accommodating wheelchairs, bicycles, and large luggage, or even serving as a cargo unit. This innovative transport could be a cost-effective alternative to rural railways. Fly TRX guarantees food delivery from any restaurant within 5 minutes. How? Drones serve as delivery agents, guided by a patented platform and machine learning algorithms. Customers order through an app, restaurants load the drone with food, and it's delivered right to your doorstep. Already, drones are delivering from places like Chili's and Mao's Little Italy, with more restaurants joining the list regularly. Lamborghini has adopted the TAC Organic Fast Charging Battery. It matches cobalt-based batteries in speed, but costs less to make. It's lighter, charges faster, and lasts over 2,000 cycles with minimal power loss. These qualities cut electric vehicle costs and boost speed, crucial for sports cars. The main aim: ditching lithium-ion batteries to reduce environmental harm from their creation and disposal.
Drones are advancing rapidly, and Skyo's new UAVs showcase this with their innovative Scout feature.
Top Secret Company has revealed its latest innovation, the V1 vehicle, blending the efficiency of an electric bicycle with the aerodynamics of a velomobile. What sets it apart? The wheels have no hubs or spokes. Instead, they use magnetic bearings for rotation. Powered by a hub electric motor, the V1 can travel up to 60 miles on a single charge.